Hey guys, welcome to 4801 Wentz Road here in Manchester. Awesome property, we gotta go check it out, so let's go.
This barn here is known as the swine barn. So beautiful out here. You've got to see this in person. Okay, here's the barn. There are 10 stalls. Five on this side. 5 on this. And of course we have a tack room. We got some chickens in this stall right now. Take in those quiet sounds.
Thanks for touring this awesome property with us today. I'm Sonia Francis with the Matchmaker team of Remax Solutions, hoping to find matches in real estate for you and in the near future. If you want to get out here and take a look at it, give us a call. Until next time, bye.